Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. This channel is all about web development. Whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, you will find tutorials, tips, and the latest trends in the web development here. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community. So, there is one big news in the WordPress community today. DreamHost has been removed from WordPress.org's recommended hosting page. This update was made by Samuel Wood, also known as Otto. Now, the page only lists Pressable, Bluehost, and Hostinger as recommended providers. So, this is what I'm talking about. This is WordPress.org's hosting page, and they have given few recommendation for WordPress hosting. So, right now, Pressable, Bluehost, and Hostinger are recommended hosting providers as per WordPress.org. Before 3 or 4 days, this DreamHost was also listed here, but it was removed recently. And interestingly, there was no explanation given for this removal. The change set message just said hosting RM DreamHost permit. So this is the change set message. It's saying remove DreamHost, nothing else, right? So DreamHost has been temporarily removed earlier this year on January 17, 2024, but was restored later on. So, this hosting page has been a hot topic for recent years, with many in the community questioning the criteria for being listed or delisted. Last year, when SiteGround was also removed, there was calls for more transparency and clear guidelines. So, not sure why this WordPress.org are adding and removing on which criteria. Those criteria are not clear. And here is a fun fact. WordPress.com isn't even on recommended list here. So if you check on this page, WordPress.com is also not there. So WordPress.com is the also providing hosting for WordPress, and it's a part of WordPress itself. But that is not also in this list. Why? We don't know. What do you think about these changes? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow web developers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out an update. Have any questions or topic you would like me to cover? Drop them in the comment below. Let's keep building amazing web experience together. See you in the next video. Bye.